Kickstart your tech career with Agile certifications.
Agile methodologies are transforming how technology projects are delivered. For those looking to enter tech project management, beginner-friendly Agile certifications can open new doors, build your credibility, and set you apart from the competition. Let's explore the top entry-level Agile certifications that can boost your confidence and start your journey in tech.
ScrumMaster, Scrum Alliance Certified ScrumMaster CSM.
The Certified ScrumMaster CSM from Scrum Alliance is one of the most recognized entry-level Agile certifications. It introduces you to Scrum principles, roles, and practices through a 2-day course and a short online exam. No prior experience is required, making it a popular starting point for newcomers seeking to understand Agile teamwork.
International recognition. Professional ScrumMaster I, PSM I.
Offered by Scrum.org, the Professional ScrumMaster 1, PSM 1, covers the fundamental value and principles of Scrum. It allows self-study with ample free resources online, making it flexible and affordable. The rigorous exam tests your practical Scrum knowledge and does not require a mandatory training course or previous experience.
Broader Agile Foundation. ICAgile Certified Professional ICP.
The Chief Agile Certified Professional, ICP, provides a comprehensive overview of Agile values, mindset, and frameworks beyond Scrum alone. It is an excellent first certification for anyone interested in multiple Agile methods and teamwork skills. The ICP is earned through accredited training providers and is respected by employers worldwide.
Project Management Institute. Agile Certified Practitioner, PMI-ACP.
The PMI-Agile Certified Practitioner, PMI-ACP, demonstrates your understanding of Agile principles and various practices, including Scrum, Kanban, and Lean. While slightly more advanced, it's accessible for those with some project experience and is recognized globally in the project management community. It's a great goal for those wanting to stand out as Agile professionals.
Choosing the right certification for you.
Selecting an entry-level Agile certification depends on your interests and career path. Consider whether you want to specialize in Scrum, explore general Agile frameworks, or aim for project management roles. Each certification provides practical skills and recognition to help you begin your journey in tech project management with confidence and clarity.